Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Apple fitness tracker yet, the Apple Watch Series 10. GPS 42mm case with jet black aluminum and black sport band. This smartwatch brings together cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and powerful health features, making it an ideal companion for anyone serious about fitness and wellness. The Apple Watch Series 10 features a bigger display with up to 30% more screen area compared to its predecessors. The screen is always on and Retina quality, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp details, even when viewed at an angle or under bright sunlight. The design is thinner, lighter, and more comfortable, so wearing it all day feels effortless, whether you're at work or working out. One of the standout aspects of this watch is its advanced health insights. It comes equipped with an electrical heart sensor that allows you to take an ECG anytime, helping to detect irregular heart rhythms or signs of atrial fibrillation. It also monitors your heart rate continuously and sends notifications if your heart rate is unusually high or low. For women, the watch offers cycle tracking with retrospective ovulation estimates, which adds a new layer of health monitoring. The Vitals app on the Series 10 provides detailed overnight health metrics, including heart rate and respiratory rate. While the sleep tracking feature not only monitors your sleep stages but can alert you to signs of sleep apnea. These health features give you invaluable insights to better understand your body and make informed decisions about your well-being. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the wide range of workout options available. The watch tracks activities such as running, hiking, cycling, swimming, skiing, yoga, and even dance, delivering advanced metrics and customizable activity rings to help you stay motivated. Thanks to its water resistance of up to 50 meters and built-in depth and water temperature sensors, it's perfect for aquatic adventures. Whether swimming in the pool or diving into the ocean, the Apple Watch Series 10 keeps you connected on the go. It works seamlessly with your iPhone, allowing you to send texts, answer calls, listen to music or podcasts, and use Siri hands-free. Siri's on-device processing means faster responses, and subtle haptic feedback alerts you without being intrusive. With Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi connectivity, you're always in touch, even when your phone isn't nearby. Safety is a key priority with this model. Features like fall detection and crash detection can automatically alert emergency services if you experience a hard fall or a severe car crash. Emergency SOS lets you call for help instantly with the press of a button, and check-in can notify a loved one when you arrive safely at your destination, offering peace of mind for you and those who care about you. Under the hood, the Series 10 is powered by the new S10 SIP chip with a 64-bit dual-core processor and a 4-core Apple Neural Engine, providing faster performance and smoother user experience. Storage capacity is generous at 64 GB, giving you plenty of space for apps, music, and workouts without worrying about running out of room. Battery life supports up to 18 hours of typical use, but the fast charging technology is a game changer, delivering 80% battery in about 30 minutes. This means less time tethered to a charger and more time moving and tracking your progress. There's also a low power mode that can extend battery life up to 36 hours. Durability-wise, the Apple Watch Series 10 is built tough. It features crack-resistant front glass with an IP6X dust resistance rating, and is swim-proof with a 50-meter water resistance rating. Whether you're hitting the gym, the trails, or the water, this watch is designed to keep up with you. From a design perspective, the 42mm aluminum case in jet black paired with the black sport band offers a sleek, modern look that suits both casual and professional environments. The band is lightweight and breathable, ensuring comfort during even the most intense workouts. In the box, you get the Apple Watch Series 10 GPS model, the sport band in small, medium size, and a 1-meter magnetic fast charger with USB-C cable, so you have everything you need right out of the box. In summary, the Apple Watch Series 10 GPS 42mm is a powerful, stylish, and feature-packed fitness tracker that goes beyond simply tracking steps or heart rate. It offers comprehensive health monitoring, reliable safety features, and smart connectivity, all wrapped in an elegant design that's both durable and comfortable. If you're looking for a smartwatch that can truly support your health and fitness journey while keeping you connected, the Series 10 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews and tech insights. See you in the next one.